Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make perfect macarons using an easy method. We'll focus on precise measurements and proper technique, which are key to success. You'll learn to prepare your dry ingredients, whip your egg whites to the perfect consistency, and gently fold everything together. This approach simplifies the process, making those delicate, chewy treats achievable for everyone. Let's dive into preparing our ingredients. First, accurately measure your almond flour and powdered sugar, then sift them together at least 2 times. This step is vital for a smooth macaron shell. Next, we'll work on the meringue. Use 50 grams of aged egg whites, whipping them until foamy. Gradually incorporate 100 grams of granulated sugar, continuing to whip until you achieve a glossy, stiff meringue that holds its shape beautifully. Now for the crucial macaronage step. Carefully fold your sifted dry ingredients into the meringue. The goal is to achieve a batter that flows like slow-moving lava, allowing you to draw a figure 8 without it breaking. This consistency is perfect. Once achieved, transfer your batter into a piping bag. Pipe uniform circles, about 1 1/2 inches in diameter, onto your baking sheet, leaving enough space between each one. After piping, let your macarons rest for 30 to 60 minutes until a slight skin forms on top. This prevents cracking and helps develop those characteristic feet. Bake them in a preheated oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes. They should be firm and easily lift from the parchment. Once completely cooled, pair them up and fill them with your favorite ganache, buttercream, or jam for a truly delightful treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.